Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my 5 a.m. morning routine. And let's kickstart this day by making my bed and then maybe going back into it to do my little morning ritual. After I'm done hydrating those babies, I light the scented candle from the fragrance people, and it truly does smell like my success and my fame. With that said and done, I write down three things that I am grateful about that day. And they are usually the things that resonates with my day the most. And then I read them out loud and say thank you to the universe and those incredible things for being in my life. Then I tune in this app that my friend suggested, the Insight Timer. It has a variety of free meditation sounds to choose from. I usually do meditate about like 10 to 12 minutes each day and try to relax and de stress as much as possible by just focusing on my breathing. Here's a morning view from my room. So beautiful. And also not me blowing away the candle with an exhale. Since Benji has a thick fur coat, he does shed a lot, and my bed is his favorite place to do it. So, this is just my little dusting process. Talking of shedding in bed, here's the cutest part of my morning wagging of tails. I say tails because I'm wagging my invisible tail too. After my freshen up time in the morning, I get back to my bed for some reading time on my Kindle app. Currently, I'm reading this book called The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod, and it is the self developing healthy habits book, and I just love it. That me and Benji had for a nice morning walk. I'm pretty sure that is the most exciting part of his day. Finishing my self care morning with some workout. Lately, I'm doing this at home Pilates workout by Move with Nicole. Our workouts are fully packed jams and with warm ups at the start and cool downs at the end. So it's fun. Okay, so we are gonna cook broccoli for lunch. This is how my face looks after cutting those damn onions. Okay, so we are almost done with the broccoli and now it's time for chapati. And to be honest, chapati is way more boring than vegetables, so let's skip that. By 9:30, I'm almost done with all of it, like all of my chores, and then I start attending my classes, which goes on till 1:30, and on Mondays it's like 2:30 ish. So yeah. Also, I'm taking down my notes right now while snacking up on guava. I actually had a little setback last sem, so I am preparing in advance for this sem to bounce back on time. We do usually get like 5-10 minutes break in between classes, so I sometimes play with Benji, so neither of us are bored out of our effing minds. Okay, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video and it motivated you to start working on yourself in this lockdown. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
No, I don't believe in soulmates. But